So today on our another episode of Tax Matters, our tax discussion. So I also get a lot of these questions, and I live in diaspora. I live in the UK, US, Canada, wherever. People abroad, all those ones that are not in Nigeria, but you have siblings here. You send money to them, and you have an investment in Nigeria. So you've been asking questions. How does this tax law apply to me? Do you get? Am I going to be taxed on the money I send to my family, my friends? Or if I have an investment in Nigeria, am I going to be taxed? Okay, so stay with me. First things first is that you're being taxed on only your income, right? The money you make. So if you send money to your siblings, it's not going to be taxed, right? Because it's not an income to them. Do you understand this? That's one. Then secondly, if you have an investment in the country, are you going to be taxed? Yes, and the tax is on the interest you earned on that investment. So let's say you have like you do like maybe treasury bills or FGN bonds, you earn interest on those investments. You're going to pay 10% withholding tax. In fact, don't bother yourself. This tax is being deducted at source. So before you earn your interest, the asset management firm they've deducted this tax at source. So you're not even going to bother yourself about it. Another kind of income that might be subject to tax because you don't live here is what we call maybe your business income or any kind of income. Maybe you have properties that you collect rent on. As long as you make that income in Nigeria, it's subject to Nigerian tax. Sorry. So that's how it works. So any income you earn in Nigeria, whether you're resident here or you're not resident here, it's subject to tax. So if you have, let me just use an example, rental income, or you run a business here, the business makes an income, you're going to pay tax on it, subject to the applicable tax that in that particular business or income that you made. Do you understand this? If it's rental income and the property is an individual property in your name, you pay personal income tax on it. Do you get it? Then that's what we also say, if you're not resident here for 183 days, you're not subject to Nigerian tax. So if you're not resident here and you don't earn income in Nigeria, you're not subject to the Nigerian tax. So that's how it works.